Bonjour. During the budget presentation, we will present everything that could influence next year. This is what we call the executive summary, which is often presented with the SWOT method. SWOT for strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. SWOT is presented in a table of 4 boxes. Strength, this includes all the strengths of the hotel for the next year. Weakness, this includes all the weakness of the hotel. Opportunity, this is more general to the market. Threat, this is too more general to the market. In the next video, we will see segmentation and financial outlook next year.